Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Uptime learning app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Uptime is a micro-learning platform designed to help users absorb insights from books, courses, documentaries, and podcasts in short, digestible hacks of around 5 minutes. The app includes a large library of topics and delivers content through a mix of text, audio, video, and visuals to suit busy learners. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Uptime for its time-efficient approach, user-friendly interface, and large variety of content tailored for quick learning sessions. On the other hand, some drawbacks include limited depth compared to full books, and premium features are required to access unlimited content. In summary, the Uptime app may be worth using if you're looking to learn new topics quickly, maximize short periods of time, and stay motivated. However, if you need in-depth coverage, comprehensive study, or long-form learning, this app alone may not be sufficient. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.